Now, today our topic is continuous probability distribution. Probability distribution functions mean and variance. Introduction. Ask students, can we calculate the probability of a person's exact height, say 170 centimeter? Lead into the idea that for continuous outcomes, the probability at an exact value is zero, and we need a density functions over an interval. Read carefully again you. Now, continuous probability distribution. A continuous random variable can take infinitely many values within an interval, uncountably infinite. Example: height, temperature, time, weight, etc. Described using a probability density functions instead of a PMA. Now I am again start this. You can see here probability density functions. A probability density function is a function f of x such that the area under the curve gives up the probability properties of a PDF. 1. F of x greater than equal to 0 for all x. 2. The total area under the curve is 1 minus infinity to plus infinity integration f of x dx equal to 1. You must be remember, if any integration we find, then final answer will be 1 for any interval a less than equal to x less than equal to b. The probability is b a less than equal to x less than equal to b equal to integration a to b f of x dx. Important: f of x equal to 0 for any single value. You must be remember these conditions for solution. Mean expected value of a continuous random variable. The mean or expected value of a continuous random variable is the center of mass of the distribution. Ex equal to mu equal to minus infinity to plus infinity integration x f of x and dx. Example: let f of x equal to 2x or 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1 and 0 otherwise. You must be remember, if the value of x is 0 to 1, then you write this, otherwise other. First verify 0 to 1 f of x dx equal to, first we integrate this function. You can see here this is lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1. We write any limits are given in the interval in the distance, then you write in integrations form and you write functions f of x equal to 2x. Now we integrate with respect to x. You know dx and x square upon 2. Upon 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Now 0 to 1 lower limit and upper limit. Now we put these values upper limit, then we get final answer is 1. Valid probability distribution functions. Mean mu equal to 0 to 1 x multiply 2x and dx. This is a formula of mean. Means we find the mean, it means mu equal to given interval 0 to 1 x and f of x dx. You can see here 2x is available, 1x and 2x. It means the value of x is power 1 and the power of second x is 1. It means 1 plus 1, the value of x is power 2 and 2 is constant. Now we again integrate, it means x power 3 upon 3, 0 to 1 to x3 upon 3 equal to 2 upon 3. We get the final answer. Variance and standard deviation. Variance measures the spread of values around the mean. Variance x equal to, you can see psi square equal to minus infinity to plus infinity bracket x minus mu whole square f of x and dx. The formula of variance is this. Or use square equal to ex square minus ex whole square, where ex square equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x square f of x and dx. You must be remember these conditions, variance and standard deviations. Example, continue. F of x equal to 2x, x less than equal to 0 to 1. It means the value of x is 0 to 1 and function is given. Already found mu equal to 2 upon 3. Now x square equal to 0 to 1. The interval value is given. You write in the integration form x square and 2x, the function is given. So now x plus x means power 2 plus 1 x power 3. We integrate x power 3, x power 4 upon 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then put in the values of upper limit x, then we get final answer is 1 upon 2. So variance x equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3 square. After the simplification, you can see 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9. Then we can get LCM or cross multiplications. The final answer we get 1 upon 18. Visualization. Draw a graph of a simple PDF easy triangular shape from f of x equal to 2x on 0, comma 1. The interval value is 0 to 1. Area under the curve equal to total probability. The center of the shape corresponds to the mean. The spread corresponds to variance. Summary: continuous distributions are described by a PDF, not PMF. Probability for an interval PA less than equal to x less than equal to b equal to integration a to b f of x dx. Mean mu equal to integration x f of x dx. Variance square equal to e x square minus mu square. Now you practice problem. Question number 1. Let f of x equal to 3x square. The value of x 0 to 1. Find mean and variance. You know I have defined you all formulas of mean and variance. The function is given. You solve step by step these questions. Second point. Sketch the graph of f of x equal to 1 for 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. Uniform distribution. Find mean and variance. Okay, you try these questions step by step.